Neuralink receives FDA approval for human trials, a revolutionary step in brain-computer interfaces. Introduction. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and technology. In today's exciting news, we're diving into Neuralink, Elon Musk's pioneering neurotechnology company. Neuralink has just announced that it has received FDA approval to begin its first-in-human clinical study. This approval marks a significant milestone in the development of a direct interface between the human brain and computers. Join us as we explore the implications of this breakthrough and what it means for the future of brain-computer interfaces. About Neuralink. Neuralink Corporation is an American neurotechnology company that is developing implantable brain/computer interfaces, based in Fremont, California as of 2022. Founded by Elon Musk and a team of 7 scientists and engineers, Neuralink was launched in 2016 and was first publicly reported in March 2017. The mission of Neuralink Company: create a generalized brain interface to restore autonomy to those with unmet medical needs today and unlock human potential tomorrow. Neuralink technology aims at understanding the human brain in general terms, from the neurons to the signals being shared by various neurons in the human brain. There are about 86 billion neurons in a brain. With Neuralink, each individual thread of the device will be connected in the brain, allowing it to monitor the activity of 1,000 brain neurons. How does Neuralink work? The N1, a 4mm square chip, is implanted into the skull. Attached to the chip are wires thinner than a human hair, which reach out into the brain. These threads are placed close to important parts of the brain and are able to detect messages as they are relayed between neurons, recording each impulse and stimulating their own. Neuralink says the N1 is able to connect with 1,000 different brain cells, and that a patient might have as many as 10 N1 chips implanted. The chips connect wirelessly to a wearable device that hooks over the user's ear, much like a hearing aid, and contains a Bluetooth radio and a battery. Neuralink says the first devices will be implanted via traditional neurosurgery, but eventually the chips will be inserted safely and virtually painlessly through small incisions by a robot surgeon. If fully functional, Neuralink's flexible threads may have a substantial advantage over older technology, as they are less likely to damage the brain.
What we currently find is, if we put stiff electrodes into a brain, something like scar tissue starts to build around them after a few months,
says Conrad Cording of the University of Pennsylvania, who is an expert in computational neuroscience. He adds that the quality of electrodes degrades rapidly as the brain moves. The flexible cellophane-like conductive wires that Neuralink has been developing is a concept that has had a lot of interest in the academic field, Cording says.
Neuralink's polymers may solve that problem, but neurosurgeons will still require a needle-like tool to insert the soft wires,
Cording says. Enter the sewing machine. Musk's startup, which has received £120 million in funding and hired a team of 90 people, has developed a neurosurgical robot capable of inserting 6 threads, 192 electrodes, per minute, automatically, according to a technical white paper published alongside its presentation. The robot, which looks something like a cross between a microscope and a sewing machine, would use a stiff needle to insert the threads and avoid blood vessels in doing so, reducing the risk of an inflammatory response in the brain. Key facts. Neuralink's recent announcement on Twitter highlighted the company's close collaboration with the FDA, which led to this groundbreaking approval. Although recruitment for clinical trials has not yet begun, Neuralink has assured us that more details will be announced soon. This approval signifies that the company has likely addressed the safety concerns that previously prevented the FDA from granting permission for human trials. Elon Musk, the co-founder of Neuralink, took to Twitter to congratulate the Neuralink team on this achievement. His enthusiasm reflects the profound impact this development could have on neuroscience and human potential. Understanding Neuralink technology. Neuralink's brain-computer interface is designed to read signals emitted by neurons using thousands of small electrodes embedded in the brain. These signals are then transmitted to a computer, enabling the analysis and interpretation of neural activity. The sheer scale of Neuralink's technology is awe-inspiring, with each device thread capable of monitoring the activity of 1,000 brain neurons. By gaining insights into the intricate workings of the human brain, Neuralink aims to restore autonomy to individuals with unmet medical needs and unlock unimaginable human potential. Background and future applications. Neuralink's recent FDA approval aligns with Elon Musk's timeline projections. During a Neuralink event in December 2022, Musk stated that the first brain chip implantation in a human would occur within 6 months. At the event, the team showcased successful demonstrations of the brain chips on monkeys and pigs. Musk envisions a range of applications for this technology, including the restoration of vision in the blind and motor function in paralyzed individuals. However, his ultimate aspiration is to create brain chips that directly interface and merge human intelligence with artificial intelligence. Neuralink's technology can benefit people with disabilities, neurodisease patients, and anyone who wants to enhance their cognitive abilities. Here are some of the benefits of Neuralink's technology. Enhancing human cognitive abilities, such as memory, attention, and problem-solving. Helping people with severe motor impairments to communicate and control devices with their thoughts. Operating encephalopathy. Connecting technology and humans. Allowing people with paralysis to easily operate their phones directly through their brains. Epilepsy and Parkinson's disease, but also paraplegia and quadriplegia following injuries to spinal nerves. Drawing pictures, taking photographs, etc. Meanwhile, the company's valuation has shot up in recent months. The startup was valued at close to $2 billion in a private fundraising round 2 years ago and is now worth around $5 billion based on privately executed stock trades, Reuters reported this month. Neuralink employees who sat on the company's animal board, which has come under federal scrutiny for potential financial conflicts, stood to benefit from the implant's quick development. Neuralink stock that some of the employees hold has jumped around 150% in value in just 2 years, based on the secondary trades, Reuters reported. Tangential challenges. It's worth noting that Neuralink's journey hasn't been without hurdles. In March, the FDA reportedly rejected a previous attempt by the company to gain approval for human trials due to safety concerns surrounding the brain implants, such as lithium battery issues and potential wire migration. Moreover, Neuralink is currently facing a reported federal investigation into alleged violations of the Animal Welfare Act. The company denies these allegations and maintains its commitment to animal welfare, stating that its facilities and animal care programs have never received citations from the USDA. Conclusion: the FDA's approval for Neuralink to begin human trials is a significant leap forward in the field of brain-computer interfaces. As we anticipate the recruitment phase and await further updates, the possibilities for revolutionizing healthcare and unlocking human potential seem closer than ever before. Stay tuned to our channel for the latest developments on Neuralink and other groundbreaking AI technologies. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the future of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.